world there's room for everyone, and the good earth is rich and can provide for everyone. We don't want to hate and despise one another. Greed has poisoned men's souls. Our knowledge has made us cynical, our cleverness hard and unkind. We think too much, feel too little. The hate of men will pass, and dictators die, and the power they took from the people will return to the people. Think too much, feel too little. The aeroplane and the radio have brought us closer together. The very nature of these inventions cries out for the goodness in men, cries out for universal brotherhood, for the unity of us all.